You are exhausted, but you slept 8 hours last night. You are gaining weight, but you have not changed your diet. Your hair is falling out. Your mood is all over the place. You cannot focus. You cannot sleep properly, and nobody can tell you why. Your doctor says your blood work looks fine. Your friends say it is just stress, but deep inside, you know something is wrong. What if I told you that all of these symptoms have one thing in common? Your hormones. Today, we are going to talk about 10 silent signs that your hormones are completely out of balance. Signs that millions of women experience every single day. Signs that get dismissed, ignored, and misdiagnosed for years. Stay until the end, because sign number 7 surprises almost every woman who hears it. Hormones are chemical messengers in your body. They control almost everything: your weight, your mood, your sleep, your energy, your skin, your fertility, your digestion. When they are balanced, you feel like yourself. When they are not, everything falls apart. And here is the problem: hormonal imbalance does not always show up in obvious ways. It hides, it disguises itself as other problems. It gets blamed on stress, aging, or simply being a woman. That ends today. Here are 10 silent signs your hormones are completely out of balance. You are tired, no matter how much you sleep. This is the number one complaint women bring to their doctors: constant, crushing fatigue. The kind that does not go away after a full night of sleep. The kind that makes getting out of bed feel impossible. Most doctors blame it on stress or depression, but the real cause is often hormonal. Low thyroid hormone slows every single function in your body, including your energy production. Low progesterone makes your sleep shallow and unrefreshing. High cortisol, your stress hormone, keeps your body in a constant state of overdrive until it completely burns out. If you wake up tired every single morning, your hormones need attention. Unexplained weight gain, especially around your belly. You are eating the same, maybe even less, but the weight keeps creeping up. And it is not just anywhere. It is around your stomach, your waist, your lower belly. This is one of the clearest signs of hormonal imbalance. High cortisol tells your body to store fat around your midsection as a survival response. Insulin resistance means your body cannot process sugar properly, so it stores it as fat instead. Low estrogen during perimenopause shifts where your body holds weight straight to your belly. No amount of dieting fixes hormonal weight gain. You have to fix the hormones first. Your mood changes without warning. One moment you are fine, the next you are crying, then you are angry, then anxious, then completely numb, and you cannot explain why. Mood swings are one of the most misunderstood symptoms of hormonal imbalance. Women are told they are too emotional, too sensitive, that they need therapy or antidepressants. But estrogen directly affects serotonin, your feel-good brain chemical. When estrogen drops, serotonin drops with it. Progesterone has a natural calming effect on the brain. When it is low, anxiety and irritability take over. Your mood is not a personality problem, it is a hormone problem. Brain fog that will not lift you. Walk into a room and forget why you are there. You cannot finish sentences. You cannot concentrate. Simple tasks feel overwhelming. Your memory feels like it has holes in it. This is called brain fog. And it is extremely common in women with hormonal imbalance. Estrogen plays a direct role in brain function and memory. Thyroid hormones control how quickly your brain processes information. When either of these are off, your thinking slows down dramatically. If you feel like your brain stopped working, check your hormones before you blame yourself. Your sleep is a disaster. You cannot fall asleep, or you fall asleep but wake up at 3 a.m. and lie there for hours, or you sleep all night but still feel exhausted in the morning. Sleep problems and hormonal imbalance are deeply connected. Progesterone has a natural sedative effect. When it drops, your sleep becomes light and broken. High cortisol at night keeps your nervous system activated when it should be winding down. Low melatonin, which is influenced by other hormones, means your body never gets the signal that it is time to sleep. Poor sleep is not just tiredness. It is your body waving a red flag. Your skin and hair are changing, sudden acne as an adult, dry, dull skin that no cream seems to fix, hair falling out in the shower, thinning at the temples or the crown of your head. These are not just cosmetic problems. Androgens, the male hormones that women also carry, trigger acne and hair loss when they are too high. This is extremely common in PCOS. Low thyroid causes dry skin, brittle nails, and significant hair thinning. Estrogen keeps skin plump and hydrated. When it drops, your skin changes fast. Your skin and hair are mirrors of your hormonal health. You have digestive problems, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, nausea, feeling full after eating almost nothing. Most women never connect digestive problems to hormones, but they should. Your gut is full of hormone receptors. Estrogen directly affects how quickly food moves through your digestive system. When estrogen fluctuates before your period or during perimenopause, your gut slows down or speeds up unpredictably. High cortisol reduces stomach acid and damages your gut lining, leading to bloating and discomfort. Thyroid imbalance slows your entire digestive process. If your gut has never felt right, your hormones may be the reason nobody found. Your period is irregular or painful. Skipping months, extremely heavy bleeding, periods so painful you cannot leave the bed. Spotting between cycles. Your menstrual cycle is one of the most direct windows into your hormonal health. PCOS disrupts ovulation, causing irregular or absent periods. Endometriosis causes severe pain and heavy bleeding. Low progesterone causes spotting and very short cycles. High estrogen causes heavy, painful, clot-filled periods. A painful or unpredictable period is never something you should just push through. It is your body asking for help. Low sex drive. This one is rarely talked about, but incredibly common. No interest in intimacy. Feeling completely disconnected from your body. Sex that feels uncomfortable or even painful. Testosterone. Yes, women need testosterone too, plays a central role in sexual desire. When it is low, your drive disappears. Low estrogen causes vaginal dryness and discomfort. High prolactin, often caused by stress or thyroid issues, suppresses sexual desire entirely. Low libido is not about your relationship. It is not about how you feel about your partner. Very often, it is purely hormonal. You feel anxious or depressed for no clear reason. A heaviness that sits on your chest for no reason. A constant low-level worry that never fully goes away. Feeling like you are not yourself, like the old version of you has simply disappeared. Anxiety and depression in women are overwhelmingly linked to hormonal shifts. Perimenopause, postpartum, the week before your period. These are all times when hormone drops trigger real clinical anxiety and depression. Yet millions of women are given antidepressants without anyone ever checking their hormones first. If your mental health has changed alongside other physical symptoms, please ask your doctor to check your hormones before anything else. So, what do you do if you recognized yourself in this list? First, track your symptoms. Write down everything. When they happen, how often, how severe. This information is gold for your doctor. Second, ask for a full hormonal panel, not just a basic blood test. Ask specifically for estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol, insulin, thyroid panel including T3 and T4, and vitamin D levels. Third, start with the basics: sleep, stress reduction, cutting back on sugar and processed foods. These three things have a direct and immediate impact on your hormones. Fourth, find a doctor who listens. If your doctor dismisses your symptoms, find another one. You deserve to be heard. Hormonal imbalance is not something you just have to live with. It is not just stress. It is not just aging. It is not just being a woman. It is a real medical condition with real solutions. You know your body better than anyone. If something feels wrong, trust that feeling. Fight for answers because you deserve to feel well. If this video helped you, please share it with every woman you know, because chances are someone in your life is experiencing these exact symptoms right now and has no idea why. Like this video. Subscribe for more women's health content every single week. And remember, your health is not a luxury. It is your right.